Hi. Hi. Thanks for giving me permission. Say hello, honey.
Hey.
Okay, say hi like a normal person.
Hey. You watch me walk away.
Anyway, hey y'all. So, good news. Thanks for letting us know, honey.
Let me walk in front of the camera. Stop. Don't show my feet.
What are you doing?
You're gonna get people all nervous and
what are you doing?
Stop.
I'ma just wait till you leave, because you're being weird. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, so awesome news. We got Timmy a new cage. We were tired of him looking all like abused and you know, like we were torturing him by keeping him in this tiny cage for his whole life. So I looked on Amazon and I found him like this really awesome cage. And sorry y'all, my voice is like halfway gone because between work and singing at church, I'm just like, my voice is like done. So just, you know, be patient with me. Anyway, as I was saying, so I actually have my own kind of like superhero powers or something, because I put the cage together by myself. Like legit, like in the middle of the night, I snuck out of bed and I put the cage together, and hubby woke up and it was sitting in the dining room like a Christmas tree, presents under the tree. So I put that thing together myself. Let's take a look at my handiwork. It's not like super clean up in here, so don't judge me. Hashtag life as somebody who works and is not home all day. So anyway, let's take a look at Tim's new cage. What? Look at that, y'all. Oh, don't do that, man. Look at this. Look at that cage. This is his old cage. Doesn't that make us look abusive or something? Compared to this. It's huge. Like, it has its own stand, and it has a little shelf down here to put stuff. He got all this extra space. He got like 10 doors. On Amazon, there were people who had like either big birds in here or a bunch of little birds. So I think some guy was like, oh, I put my 10 parakeets in there. 10 of Timmy. Just hanging out. Big old cage. Look at Tim. What you doing, Tim? Did you miss us? I missed you. Tim, will you say hi? Will you say hi, Tim? No? We're not doing that today? Okay. Anyway, so, yeah, I put this together on my own. It took like, what, an hour or so? Also, the funniest thing. So I put it together, and then that next morning after, you know, I surprised hubby with it, we tried to put Timmy in the cage. So I got the whole thing on camera, and it is hilarious. Tim tried to play us. Why don't y'all go ahead and take a look at that, because it was ridiculous. Take a look. Tim, it's time for you to go to your new cage. You didn't put his bell or anything.
I said I gotta get to it now.
You made it difficult, didn't you, Tim?
I'll make it an easy process.
I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Of course not. If I could talk to a bird, then I would be Elijah Thornberry.
Look, Tim. You're just going to a new cage. You need to hold it?
Yeah, that'd be great. Haunted today.
Take the perch video on. Oh, there he is. Hey, Tim?
You can put this down now.
No. Tim. All of a sudden you like free fly?
Right. That's all it took.
Oh, get his ladder.
Good idea.
You know what he's like. Tim. Look at you. Look at you, Tim. Get on your ladder. Ladder drop. Get on your ladder, Tim. Where's the one in my house? You should just grab him, put your arms around him, cup him. Fly is so funny.
Come on.
Get on your ladder, Tim. Put it down a little bit so you can step. Go ahead, Tim. Come on, Tim.
Come on, man.
Don't worry, you're okay.
He's enjoying himself. Come on, man.
Yeah, because he likes to purchase on the counter. On the top of the counter.
Oh, yeah, he really likes his purses up here. Alright, Timmy, look, man, we got a new cage for you, brother.
I'm not even going to open up the top.
You can open up the top. Oh, I thought you meant the,
Oh, the ceiling? I mean, I could, but I would have to screw it back on. Also, that's how you hold it.
oh, that's what's holding it.
The top is the structure.
Come on, man.
Timmy, come on, man. We don't have time to play today. That's why we got you in the cage.
The one day you want to fly around.
Couple. Big feathers all over everything. You better not poop either.
There you go. Okay, that's where I want you. All
Now
right.
go inside. He looking over here like, why is she over here? Oh, he's on it. got time to play today, Tim? Into the cage, Tim. Into the cage. Where did he go? Is he on this side?
He's gotta keep going. Just like
Fly into the cage, Tim. Play it. Maybe get his bell. I wonder if that will attract them more. Oh my goodness. So goodness, so extra. Then just gonna perch on the thing. Like, he is so extra.
find ways to get around it, man. Gotta know your bird.
You make it? Tim, like, you are the most extra person.
No, he finally got his free flight, which made me feel good, because for the longest he's been needing it. And so now, he good.
Tim, do you like your new cage?
It's pretty easy to get him. Like, basically what you gotta do is just give him something he's familiar with and he'll hop on it. Once you do that, it's straight.
Put this thing that goes in the ceiling and built. And I'm looking at it. What you saw. Fine gourmet meals. Wasn't that hilarious? I mean, Tim had us running around the house chasing this boy, like, and he just thinks we're playing. That's the thing. Like, he thought we were legit playing with him. I'm trying to go to work. Like, I'm trying to get dressed so that I can go and make a living so that he can have nice things like this nice cage right here. I'm trying to go to work. Timmy over here trying to play. Just a child. What you doing? Scratching your leg like that, Tim? Oh, you gonna turn around? Oh, you gonna ruffle your feathers like that? Tim, you need to be more respectful. Anyway, Timmy gonna try to play us flying all around. I guess he really likes the tops of cabinets, so yay. I guess there's nothing nasty back there because he was just sitting up there. So anyway, my voice sounds awful. I'm not even gonna make you all suffer through trying to decipher what it is that I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it there. I just really wanted to show you guys his new cage and his reaction to it. It's also really cool because when we first got the cage, he only would, he like, when we left, he was on that bottom porch and bottom perch, I'm sorry, and when we came back, he was still on the bottom perch. So we were like, is he moving around? Like, you know, maybe he's just moving around when we're not here, or you know, what's going on? So I'm really happy to see him up on that top perch up there, so that's really awesome. I think he's liking it. He should have plenty of space to fly around and do whatever he pleases. Literally 10 of him could fit in there, so ain't no need for you to have attitude. But he got an attitude because he mad because we took him out his cage, so he acting all stank for a couple days until he decides he done tripping. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here and try to do something about my voice. I don't know. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you can receive notifications whenever I post new videos, new vlogs, new inspirational things, new family things, faith, food, whatever. Make sure that you click that button so that you can get notifications, okay? Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And I feel so like wow right now. I just got home, so I think I'm just tripping. Anyway, don't forget, what was I even saying? Whatever, y'all, just don't forget, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Y'all have an absolutely blessed, wonderful day, and Lord willing, I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.